just because of the president smiling, make una feel safe for Gidigba.
No, sir.
What do you make una feel safe for Gidigba?
Because like we saw, like we left the bar. So what people do because the bar do. So we all let that.
Una na put local una.
Yes, sir.
Una 200,000 alpha can give una for una vote for. Give una money.
No, not giving nothing.
Una believe say you can be able to lead the APC. More than that. No. We see the setting, the presidency, and Alpha go and do it to come. All the same signals, saying about the president respect. Go along the way, the villagers will be stopper, bloody, dance. Why would I believe say people and likeness? And just like man, because now acquiring apprentice, and the man way we all believe say don't learn this work all these years, and the man way we have say go deliver, we will pull me from poverty and change the face of the country.
Yes. The politician already has to
you don't retire today after a hard job. How you see the trip today from Poland?
I think
to Lokomasama, and the burial, to Buya Hotel. Then you have.
I think say that they well spent. President Nkrumah goes to the lowest of the levels of rural areas. Conakry did not get better road safe. And the communities with them and fishermen and women. And it could give them electricity in a hospital we build for them. And electricity we not get for bring hardship and then become a solar electricity. And the sun behind the church. But he say even today we sit under now they no more a field for gold. But if you for able to go into other 49 other places where they say they do the same thing, hospital, solar, and then a community hall. But you want to put them in 50 different ones, we don't do. They say by 2020 we don't get 100, we get to do another 50. But we believe now say Ingo they launch them till 7th of March. Not to say today. They say they launch till 7th of March. We don't go launch now beyond that. Ingo do now till the rest one.
You believe saying that you there for being a person?
And I hope so when I believe.
Okay, God will
pass no more now.
So thank you.
So I don't come home now, they can't rest now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Madam Lake can give me.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Padaura.
Oh, Padaura, how are you, sir?
Fine, how are you?
Not bad, sir. I know say you don't be around for long and let God keep you for we more and more. Which you experience they pass down to we. Let us we will pass that down to we begin them. You see the general outlook of waiting happening today. Now Lokomasama. I don't know if you've been there at Conakry. You've been there as well. So what is your assessment about Kanu, Alpha Kanu? What the intention for this
first
black
of all, I
girl?
tell you, I say, I named Dada Sulaimane Kamara, and I get a lot of brothers, and we are the people we actually hold the party together with them.
He's a member of
Now, maybe they work together in cabinet from 2007 up until the time where I left them in the cabinet. Later on, he came meet me in the State House as a special advisor along with me and somebody else that would take the day. But before all of this, the main day in Parliament from 2002 until 2007.
You did a parliament as the honorable for whose constituency? Gambia. Okay, sir.
I'm a brother this. Now, McKinney would go. He meet me. He don't tell me from where he left the office. You know they can't see me. So I bet.
But now we go Gambia.
Yeah, no.
We go Gambia.
We go Gambia. But then I will be to go for good receiving a Gambia.
Yes, yes.
For presenting to me people. My brother, truly so. Poroko, my second home after Gambia. Because I started in politics with the late second. With the young Kurena, S.H. Kanu.
Shaka Kanu.
Yes, Shaka Hassan Kanu. So, I sabi them all very well. All of them, the players. In one of them, who are the people who are like them. I can't have foreseen that with them. Spend that with them tomorrow. We are party members. Now, we are the APC. And know the role we play in the critical time with the time for reassemble the party when they can look it up. From 2002, the parliament, we are the brother. So I come for love, spend the night together. What are they say of now one of the people that we had to see around the party. Go to the one. They assist me big person. Nearly all of them, all they come to me. And that they welcome them with both my hands. Because in party day, you don't get people like them. They will not say when they will do it. You don't get much hope. So they get for come and stand up for protect the integrity of the APC. And you know one person. We believe. So, you ask me, if I don't feel good, but I know I can feel like it.
Well, people all over the world when they watch this great program, we now watch Neighbor, and now you don't come national every Friday 6 o'clock. AYV they give you ear time. The person who sabi you, they ain't able to describe you. For Dauda don't talk about Dr. Alpha Kanu, and anybody who get experience where they read along the line. Don't get waiting for Dauda don't talk but this great and gentleman. So with that today, we'll stop this first episode of the Watch You Know Neighbor program. The cameraman Jeremiah Cole, the chief advisor Yakuba Jane, and me the presenter and the CEO of the Great Watch You Neighbor film, Mr. Kelfala Mazare, right in the heart of Budloko district at the Alpha Khan Hotel. Sunville Hotel now Budloko. You say Tata, we will not tell people the bye-bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very happy way we brought our people. But not so in this kind of way. Because everybody knows say Belgium, somebody don't know Belgium. I'm really glad they can't wait up. So I'm not saying like I vex by you, man. I don't vex. I'm not getting anything against you. But I'm not saying that this kind of way. For plan and well, let's more successful. You understand? You're not part of the executive. And you know say we do something that's straight way. No one. We are for Belgian sellers and the executive of the APC wing. If you deal with we with Swan, you with Swan, we say we go all you with Swan. Sure. Because that politics, that you know again, politics the payment at this one, they may have to tell all politicians. If we work for you for pay, we at this one, not to next one. You understand? And we are sure you say Belgium will not ever that they lose inside, we always that win inside. So we get for give you support. You understand? Unexpectedly, now they bring you council, but you see people away, they hear you. This is a small town, not to this kind of way. We will go for the big one to welcome you. You will see a great support. You will see a large support. I'm happy for doing it because I really know who that them be. And I know for say, when I say the left, when I say the don't shoot, that's in the So, once more, on behalf of the executive and the entire member of Belgian Sellers, we welcome you. We really appreciate you. Not to say, what's the place you put on to listen? We don't get anything because they don't tell you what you don't have put on the way the Belleville, where they don't really the money on me, but your business. Yes, every day they want to go to your business. And I tell them, say, they know tell me that's a chairman of the organization, we get good relationship. So I believe saying if I am under the chairman of the APC wing, we still there as a brother, as a family. So we go give that support there as a entire Belgium. Belgium will not split so. Also would be you. We not sabi that the way other man say would they under, this man say would they under. No. Belgium also would they be you. That you would be. But say that absence they say it they be you. I mean, any say would go. Me, that's what I tell you. I don't know for that person me or say David, me executive where they go. Any politician will go meet me one or two. Never look like we serious. Take us in a champions. And all the night you come and say you want to be personal. Me any say where they go. Anytime women or say they go as a chairman, I don't ever go with less than 10 people there. With that for sure you say, na reality and I'm something straightforward. Me know they go on side with 1 or 2 men. So I tell you once more on behalf of Belgium Sellers Association, we welcome you and we will give you support 100%. And we will welcome you and try to do more for you when you go come. Follow can celebrate with you once more.
Because I know say we are all within now because we elect APC, we elect President Koroma, now he make una come. We not come for the apprentice. Because inside Motoka, nobody knows you talk to apprentice.
But they can know you not talk to.
Now for make sure no more say the Motoka dey in good order. The driver we don't drive now all these years, 10 years, this 30 days, the Motoka not crack, you not get accident. Policeman hold himself for broke the law. Because I remind we sabi the highway code. How is sabi the highway code? The highway code for a country is the constitution of the country. You sabi drive or land the highway code. Where would all the holla? Say we get this good president, this fine president, this sober, sincere, honest president, hard-working president. They can go. Una they cry. We all they cry. Now me first begin cry. Because when Barnes Koroma told to the load, me na me dey eat. Or say, but I want to put this load down. We don't beg him. We say, Pa, we not only put this load down. This load don't fit you. Sabi work out with him. 30 days you don't get accident. Now he say, Bob. He say, boy, imagine saying I mean the goalkeeper for Leon Star. He said, first of all, if possible play offside, he kick the ball. He said, I'm not going to left and say I depend on the referee for let go. If you not blow, not to beat and not beat me so. He said, how much more? Me when I mean that the constitution talk say, as president of the country, mean that the guardian of the constitution. Guardian by French means goalkeeper. Mean that the goalkeeper. So if he allow for let he go against the constitution, that means he don't score own goal. Not so? Where he score own goal, not glad for him? No. So he said, in as much as una leka, you're not going to allow an own goal. Scoring an own goal means looking for a third term or going beyond the term where they don't put for him. You will never do that. That's not the Eskoroma way misabi. Now man will like him people, he believe in the constitution and is law abiding. So if they go, we all they cry. We all they cry. Now we don't go push now back. Now we don't go push now back.
Nobody but car.
So now that make I tell I say, Pa, I said true if you go. I said don't forget say you been get apprentice so 15 years they behind you. Now me they took the bag, they work out with you, now me get it to work. Now next step now me they get the key. When I can sleep, now me they drive. When the bag goes sleep this country, now me they drive. You know that?
Can you ask him to come? Where are they going to ask another time? Can you go back here? Or killing. Waiting do then they say can work in. They say salon now we all are the same people. Not so? Yes. Or say Davis go tell you say 2012 them full of them. Majority full of man join and won. But they say let me make APC be strange for them. They say APC all they talk one full on the inside. When they say Osai, they say why? They say that in Latin. When I keep that one. He said, but with the beg, if we all don't care now, when they say Osai or why, when I take him, but if they say Okele, when I say Wakele. Now, if I go to say, we agree, now that don't want, when I take Wakele. So now we try again now. Osai, Okele, Wakele. So we get it. So if we reach there, the bar say, you know, they continue. You don't talk over and over. And if you know they continue, if you go put the load, he left the motor car halfway. We don't know the driver where they come. Then in a big cry overnight. Then you wake up in the morning, you see say Nalana driver and I hold the motor car. Before him around, I dey inside Rocket Bridge. Not trouble. And the country is very delicate for honor. So he said, make me make him. Let me tell the people, let them agree, let go. I say, yes, but I said, the people are not agree, let go. Because they don't want let's go on go. He said, but then the country talks so, the constitution. He said, the everything constitution, we don't talk so. We don't get 2 terms, we don't get 3 terms, we don't get 4 terms, we get all the terms. So the only way where we agree for let left the government is that if you agree for continue with we, a party office, at least for the foreseeable future. So that you go hold this party for me, like I hold up. So that on St. Davis Day, they go sit on an it, they don't say in the morning, they're going to already realize there will be a good leader of the party. Inaugurate, but we don't try for making agree. He say himself want in your life. But the youth wing, they make party, they make a conference now for local. They don't ask themselves, they call the foot soldiers of the party. They just said to them, that President Ernest Bai Koroma remains leader and chairman for life. No, be a Yes, it's don't need the grumble. They want to ask me. But we passed this, they passed it as a resolution. We'll clap for them. So we left and talk to them, for they agree. So that when we go to McKinney on the 5th and 6th of September, let me endorse the Young Monday Moon resolution. Say, let Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma remain as leader and chairman of the party. Even if you know they be president of Sierra Leone, or say, or kill him, or what kill him. You know what, T-Mac? Football team, when I take the example, when I not cost me in Manchester, man, they within I say, let Manchester not cost me now. When they talk to them, let me ask them. Manchester was the best team, not so? But what you do not be the best team because they had Sir Alex Ferguson. Not so? Where Alex Ferguson go? You still get who need them. You get all the good players inside. Eh? But you don't get good apprentices. But when good leader, no they, then they win matches. No. That's not the danger. You can get the best team, but if you don't have a good manager, what are they lost? Not so? Yes. Now that happened to Manchester United. We don't agree, let that happen to the APC. Not so? No. When President Koroma go, we don't agree for let left the party because at the moment, we don't see Posse hate where people wearing shoes. I have dentists. No, not so party. Tell me I don't want to. Party business, I don't want some more. Let him roll up, not so. Now 2 loads now it told. It told the party load, it told the country load. We say, the country say, okay, now 10 years don't when it told me load put on. It don't agree for that day. But we the party, we say by elect it total
Why should tell we don't tire? Not so? Yes. So we don't agree that the party, he not agree to when they talk to her. So anybody will say, I'm not party happy, I'm not left yet. Look what it happened. Now Tanzania. They get the party called the Chama Mapinduzi, the CCM. Started by Julius Nyerere, way back before independence. 30 days another party they didn't buy. You know why? Because when Julius Nyerere left government, the party not really left the party. It's not that the party died, so it don't manage. In fact, before president in time they don't know who that they take over for. So up till today, that man don't die, not to 20 years ago. So the party is still in power with the wide majority. This last election, they do not 75%. Out of a population of nearly 100 million people. Oh yes. So it is the leader. We will beg Pakuruma because no one let the APC get problem. When leader not there, all man want be leader. And because all man want be leader, Fet Boku. We know some of the people the way that they happen to. Not so? Yes. So we with the leader of the party business, we put on one side now, we keep on for him. He wants a move. He don't want a move, we can't call him in Belgium. No, go bigger than McKinney. Say, but take it. We say, we will tell our balance and say, but we will for the first 2 years. Let you see me through the transition no more. Now change government. Not so? Yes, sir. Yes. If you agree, after that, now we want to put on, I say, you would say, let me put on. I tell you, nobody no wants. And if nobody no wants, I go think. I go even know. So that is the message we are bring forward. The other message is that they left the government as president of Sierra Leone. I.e., we can't go na election, you know it's now. So who that we will put now back? I don't think I say, I don't be apprentice to you all these years. Me, where you march, now me the way. Now when no myself, me self don't left State House, I resign at State House, like I can learn the highway code. If I don't get problem with police, and they read the constitution, and I they publish Mongolia, the constitution I read. And they learn the highway code, and that's how they when I don't take that motor, I understand the rules of the road. Now I don't go up one-way streets, they can't hold me, they say, what you make it? I tell you now that there is 6 points, not so. But now there is 6 points ABC. Then the other thing I get for tell you now, the party APC, the law-abiding party. The president don't show say in a way they abide by the rule of the Constitution. The Constitution says anybody where 149 for president, you know, for each government money for 1 year. If you be the working say you for left arm. You for left arm. Because when you will take government, you get government motorcar. Or say Davis is a one contest, you know, to government man. Everybody in a fair competition. No. He bless me a government man. I want, and they pay me, and they give me per diem, and they give me allowance, and they give me petrol, and they give me motorcar, they give me. I shall not get that. So if me ain't go fetch, na fair game down there. Now I make the constitution say all man for left, when I didn't left will run for 1 year. Not so. So right now, myself at the Sokia, I don't left for nearly not to 6 months ago, so I left for 7 months. So after that, now we compete with anybody, they say that I left on ground. So anybody where would I not say, you not resign, then the APC is not going to make that mistake for Kian that chance. No, for Kian. Because the opposition, they can't go court. If they can't go court, with the loss, that I can tell. So when I think, now make the APC put criteria, when I be anybody criteria, no so. So first of all, if you want enough for APC, you for abide by the Constitution of 1991. And the most important part is Section 76(1)(d). They say you will not be a government of a public. You take government money, period. If you still they take them, them man and they, let them can join the one the way. No, they take government money we want, let them help we go before. And since the apprentice day before already, when I tell them, say, they can help me for pushing So I tell you, I say, Now, Pastor, I don't come for meetings today. I will come for the meeting, but I will organize, I will allow the Belgium executive, the APC executive, and all the other groups where they have the women's group, made them plan meetings. Today, the Pastor will pass. The meeting will come up. Now, Pastor. So if I reach there, I tell you now, me now, an apprentice. I want to allow me to go take the driving test on the 5th and 6th. Would you allow me to take the driving test? And the bank don't give me license. If you don't give me license, any driver where SLPP go pull, where ADP go pull, where PMDC go pull, I swear to God. When I sabi who that they call Lewis Hamilton, no so. That Formula 1 driver, no so. Where they Google Mercedes. They did 10 miles, you know, people and they let me 1 mile. No, so, well, I go drive that car, I go left them people and they, as if being a Lewis Hamilton. I sabi drive faster. The SLPP, I sabi drive faster. PMDC, I sabi drive faster. The one where I get problem no more, I for let the APC say, the English say, now me for be the APC driver. If I am the APC driver, on the 6th of September, I go tell you what to go for. And President Kuroma teach me how to run government. So if you don't teach me how to run government, I don't be Minister of Presidential Affairs. Me not be Minister of Presidential Affairs, he not be President. So the two, whichever. When I say President, stand in the noun, I get the name. When I say Presidential, not be me not the adjective. So me not be always the adjective of President Kuroma when he was President. Alpha Kanu, Minister of Presidential Affairs. Now apprentice they call so by English. Or say, or kill it. Or kill it. I tell you that, thank you. Chairman, thanks a lot. Thank you. Whoa, whoa, President Toby.
This is how they watch you in our program.
We get phone today from the program Watch Neighbor. This na the producer Baba Sheikh, he say Tata, and we get more phone to come.